Hi, I am Devanshu, and in this video, I am going to tell you about Art of Emails, which is a pretty interesting tool meant for marketers. So, if you want to reach out to existing customers or prospects, then there are a lot of email templates available over here. So, here you can see there are a few email templates where you can see that there is also one trending templates available for coronavirus. Then there you can check out all the templates by clicking overview templates. So there, let me show you, there are a lot of templates, 60 plus templates are available here. There you can see related to cold emails, related to new clients, there are related to coronavirus, how to follow up and revive leads gone cold, how to pitch the press and lend media coverage, how to apologize from customers, link building, how to pitch partner influencer, follow up, onboarding, referrals, fundraising, and there is one related to increasing sales. So let us check out one of the templates. So you have to just choose one template which is relevant to you. There you can see, there are a lot of templates available over here. So what I want to do, I want to actually choose the one which is related to COVID. Okay, let me click over COVID, coronavirus template. There you can see there are four templates available. Let me quickly give you a look. Here is a first one. So this is extensive one. How are you wishing your family? There you can see details have been. There are ideas. Start off by wishing them safety and health. Then briefly mention the client's work you have been doing. Then honestly admit the businesses have been cutting back and it affects you as well. Then mention specific. So you can find relevant templates and there are a lot of ideas available over here. So I'm going to choose a template. There you can see there this one is also there. But this one is the shortest one, so I'll choose this one. Offer your client and prospects free strategy session. So let me. What you have to do, you have to simply put a client name here. You can put merge tag if you are using any email client or email service provider. Then here you can see the idea. So in first you need to mention, you can mention about offer to support their business during the time by providing a strategy session. Subly mention that there are just a few spots available. So here you can mention the details, then we can talk about. So here you need to talk about their business. Just try to personalize this. So maybe I can talk about um, how you should work to get more clients during this during the challenging time. Mention it. There you can add some other relevant detail. There you need to put a call to action button. So you can put your website URL over here. Then sign off by mentioning. So in nutshell, you need to basically keep all these points in mind. There you can see there are a lot of ideas available over here. So accordingly, customize your templates. Then you can reach out to the masses. So just close it. Let me put a signature over here. Regards, best regards, warm regards, whatever you want to add a beautiful signature and click over copy and it has been now copied. So quickly I want to paste it and there we go. So I can format it, I can change whatever the content I want to customize. So this is a pretty interesting website. You can explore these templates which are ready to use. If you are willing to, let's say, build a link building, let me show you these templates available over here. So create content upgrade for the site owner, ask for link credit. You can implement an influencer's advice and ask for share with a guest blog article. So there are a lot of people how to do guest blogging. So you can go through this template, say and enter site owner's manager's detail. Been following your blog for a while. Really enjoyed recent articles about how uh, to get motivated to study. There you can see the pointers. Provide meaningful comment about their recent articles. So this is how you will be able to personalize, paste your story ideas, list a few articles. Then here you need to ask them for their thoughts about your article idea, and this is how you can open up the conversation. So use these templates. So I hope there's these templates would help in your business and your emails. You will be getting good response. So that's all. Thank you.